Hey friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad that you joined me today. So I don't know about you, but I have a lot of pieces of cross stitch and even my quilts and things like that I like to have some nice lighting on. And it's really hard to find lighting that is like accent lighting and not like in your face lighting. So these come in a set of two. There are two wall sconces. What's really cool about these is that you do not need an electrician to get these up on your wall. They're a rechargeable light for your wall, and they actually have 3 different colors. So you can see here, we have different colors to choose from. There's a warm, white, there's like a daylight, and there's also a cool blue. And what's really neat is for that accent lighting, you can dim them down, or let's say maybe you're looking for something and you can brighten them right back up. So super easy. This is just with a remote. If you want to turn the lights on and off, there is a little touch here on the side that you can just turn it off and then they can turn right back on. And I don't know about you, but sometimes I lose remotes. So if you can, if you do lose your remote, you can turn it on. And then if you press this little touch sensor on the side, it will dim it down or brighten it up. So here we can go brightening and then we go dimming. So super cool, super easy. Now, here's the downside. I got these in the mail to show you guys, and I realized that the batteries that come with them, this slides into the side. It's a rechargeable battery. Once the battery is charged, it's supposed to provide 60 hours of illumination. So that's a lot, honestly. Now, this battery, though, does take about 8 to 9 hours to charge for this wall sconce. So this isn't like you bring it out of the box, put it up on the wall, bing, bing, boom, you're done. You are gonna have to kind of plan ahead and remember that it's gonna take 8 or 9 hours for this to charge. And then you have 60 hours of light time before you're to charge them again. What's really cool though is that these will slide in and out without having to take this off the wall. So let me show you how to do that real quick. On this light here, it's on the wall, and all I gotta do over here, there's a little tab, and then this battery just slides right out. And I don't have to take the light back down. I can just put it back in here, slide it back in, and it will go back to whatever setting it was on when you took it out to begin with. So that's kind of nice to have. So some of the other features for this, let me see, let me make sure I have a list so I don't forget anything. Like I said, one single charge will provide up to 60 hours of continuous illumination. It's a long battery life. The battery, just as I showed you, can be easily removed, so that's really nice as well. It is color customizable, and it's dimmable and brightable. I don't know. You can make it brighter or dimmer, just like I showed you earlier. And there are the 3 color combinations. There's also 5 adjustable brightness levels, which are the 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. So we kind of went through those as well. There is that remote that I showed you earlier, which, like I said, when you lose the remote, you can just tap it on this side. No, I have the remote. It's somewhere. See, found it. So yeah, but what's really cool about the remote is that you can put it on like a timer. So let's say I want these to come on and I only want them to be on for an hour. I can just set that. And now it blinked like that, and it told me it took the information from the remote, and an hour from now it will turn itself off. So that's really cool. Let's say you're having a dinner party or something and you want your quilt illuminated, your cross-stitch gallery illuminated, and you know they're going to be there for 4 hours. You can just set that timer, and 4 hours later those lights will go automatically off, which is kind of nice. Like I said, the timer function, there's 4 different options. There's a 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours. So all of those are on the remote. Easy little button push to do that. And then the built-in memory function, the LED wall light will always recall your last brightness and color choice, so you don't have to set it every time. So just like you saw when I took the battery out and then I slid it back in, it went right back to that light, the brightness level, and the color selection that I had before. So these are really cool. So let me show you the box, because I didn't do that, did I? Whoops. They come in this box, and it is the battery operated wall sconces. So really cool. They come in a set of 2, just as I mentioned at the beginning. And there's like, They're neat. I like them. So I'm looking forward to using these around my quilts just to have a little accent lighting. I think it's going to be super fun. And I don't have to twist my husband's arm to get these wired into the house because I can just hang them on the wall wherever I want and then turn them on and off as I want to. Just to wrap up, let me show you the back of this just so you can kind of see. I actually had a cross stitch piece hanging here before, but... And I'm going to turn this off so it doesn't blind you. But on the back, you can see that I just hung it on a nail up here. It does come with some wall anchors and things that you can definitely want to make sure that you have it wall anchored. There's a little bit of weight to it, but it's not super, super heavy. So don't think that you're going to be hanging a 20-pound light on your wall. And then just to get that battery out on the side again, there's a nice little handle here to grab the battery pack. And this is the battery pack that you'll charge. Remember, these battery packs do have to charge for 8 to 9 hours. So plan ahead. So what I've done is just hung this on my wall, and there it went right back to the setting that I had set it at earlier before I took it off the wall, before I took the battery out, before I put the battery back in. It goes right back to that setting. So these are really nice. I'm looking forward to using these wall sconces as some accent lighting in my home. Check out the description box down below. There's a link where you can get these for your own house. And remember, they do come in packs of 2. Easy assembly, easy to hang, easy to charge, great accent lighting. Until next time, find joy in all you do, carve out some time for crafting and creating, and remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.